Hi, my name is Kajal Suggoo. I have been here at Dunlop for the last 14 and a half years. I am the Senior Product Development Engineer. What I do is I manage a team of people. We will basically do the trials, we will do all the testing, we will validate the results, and then we will do the products and then release the products. Dunlop is a family to us. When I started here, my intention was not to actually meet anybody in this small town. Fate would have it, I met my husband-to-be. We're married now and we have 3 boys. He actually also works here. They've actually named all 3 of my boys. My eldest is 7 years old and they call him Dunlop. My second is 3 and they call him Sumitomo, and the youngest is 9 months. So they call him Falcon. So yeah, it's a very family-orientated town. It's a little town here of Ladysmith. Everybody knows you, and here at the factory, everybody greets, everybody's happy, everybody's smiling. So important to look after people here at Dunlop. We have an on-site clinic, so there's sisters here all the time. We have an on-site gym. When we are driving and I pull up next to a car and I see a tire in a car next to me, and it's a Dunlop tire, that gives me so much of joy because that tire, I had a hand in it. It's such a brilliant brand, and we're so proud of it, and we just want it to grow from strength to strength. Yeah, so my veins are black and yellow.